Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm sorry I took like almost like 2 months off of YouTube. I'm just tired, so that's the life. And I don't really know what to say for the intro because I'm honestly about to pass out. I don't know what the hell, but I'm just so tired. So today I'm going to be reviewing this I went to like a makeup show thing where they're like selling makeup that is cheap, well, like, yeah, it's like 90% off, and I got this new palette. It caught my eye, and it's called Arrive Cosmetics. I don't know if it's called Cosmetics, but I'm gonna call it that. So just like, if you want to see me review it, just keep on watching. Packaging basically looks like the cover, and hold on, I think there's, wait, hold up. Sorry, 3, 6, 8. No, I don't know what I'm doing. 2, 4. There's 15 shades in this palette, and this is what it looks like. It's like very glittery, and I like it. And by reviewing it, I'm just gonna do an eye look and just see how it goes. And they also, like, I didn't realize, my mom's like, there's something in the bag. I'm like, ooh, what is it? And she's like, oh, it's just a mirror. I'm like, cool, so I have a mirror now. Okay, so first, shade, oh yeah, just saying, the shades have no names, so I'm just gonna point to the one I will want to apply on my eyelid. And the first one, the first color I'm gonna be doing this is like this like subtle brownish color, and I'm putting it like on the upper part of my crease to just blend it out. Just like that. It's the exact same thing with the other eye, because you want to, like, I don't know what I'm saying, dudes. But yeah, so I got this like a makeup show thing, and I'm like, why not try it out? It was $25 actually. Okay, so the next color I'll be using is possibly, it's so hard to decide because there's not a lot of like natural colors in this palette, and some colors don't go well together, but I'm trying. I'm probably just gonna use this other crease brush, right? And I'm using this brown color as well to put on my outer crease. Like, colors are pigmented, which is good. Even though it looks like it's not even showing up. But I think it's just because, like, the color I did on my upper crease is darker than this one I'm doing on my, like, outside the crease area. But, actually, no, never mind, I'm wrong. It does show. It's just, like, I'm not wearing my glasses. So, that's what's up. Just like that. And then the other color, this is me tricky because they said like the colors, like the shimmery, like glittery colors are hard to apply. But you know what? I'm gonna try as best as I can. And so I'm just gonna use this flat brush. And I'm gonna be using this gold color here. I'm just going like that. Oh, that is hardly applying. And it's like that color. Putting it on. Ooh, it applies very beautifully. I'm actually shocked that it's actually like good, because like I guess a lot of the glittery colors are hard. Okay, that is like going everywhere, but you know what? That's fine. This is sort of hard, to be honest. Ooh, okay. I think we're getting somewhere. It's alright. It gets everywhere in your eyes, so. But that's fine. That's fine. I'm sorry that I'm not my normal self. I'm literally just like dead inside. Huh. If you know what I mean. What the hell? Okay. You know, that's good enough. You know, like, it's glittery, it's pretty. There's nothing really else I can do about it. So I'm just gonna do the same thing for the other eye. Put it on my, like, main lid area. And then into, like, the inner part of my eye to, like, give it sparkles. But, like, it's weird because you have to really, really dig it in, like, to get this glittery stuff on the brush. That's what it's looking like right now. I just have to, like, put more glitter on the side. So how are y'all doing today? Like, I would love to know because I care about my subscribers. What the? Sorry. Oh my god, ew. What the hell is it? You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's it's alright. I don't really know what to say about this. It's just like, I feel like I need to put glue, literally glue on my eyelid to put this like stuff, glittery stuff, so it doesn't fall off. But it's not bad. It was $25, like I said. You know, it's like not like the best. But then again, I feel like it's worth the money because like it's $25. Not really expecting a lot from a $25 palette. And they said that they're like new. They're a new brand. So I'm like, okay, cool. So this is the eye look. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notifications down there. And comment what color you like from this palette. This one, yeah. Comment what color you like from the palette. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And my Instagram is going to be down in the bio area if you want to check it out. I promise next video I will be enthusiastic. Okay, promise. Okay, bye. I love you.